Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be learning how to view storage status in Picsart, and now let's dive right in. Now to view the storage status in your Picsart account, first open up your Picsart app on your phone, and after opening your Picsart app guys, you land over here where on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see the person or profile icon available for us. Tap on the person or profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and you land over here where you can see guys at the middle section of the screen there is the weekly credit and the storage status available for us. Now to view in detail, you tap on that button and then all of your storage available and used storage on your Picsart will be shown over here. And if you want to manage your files or upgrade your plan, you can see guys, if you tap on the upgrade plan, you will be able to pay for a pro account. By that you will get way more storage than just 100 MB, or you can simply manage your files by tapping on manage files and you can delete it or some of them over here. And with that being said guys, this is how to view your storage status in Picsart. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.